Good afternoon everybody. So this is our first video of the Saturday and this is the puppy's 3-week birthday.
Yay!
They are, strangely enough, having another feed. So in the video now we're going to do their 3-week birthday weigh because they've not been weighed for a few days. And we do have some sensational news.
Yes. What is that, Mr. HDL?
For those of you that have been involved in the polling on the first one out of the pool, we did have the decision disqualification the other day on Athena being helped out by Sadie. And when we were out today, we had to go to one of our girls' soccer matches. We came back to be told by one of the other girls that Athena had climbed out. Now, in my adjudication mode, I said, well, that doesn't count because we didn't see it. However, I've been overruled by a panel to be reliably informed that Athena is the winner. So I still think that Zeus climbed out and climbed back in, and we haven't got evidence of that, so I still think that should be okay. But the overall winner is Athena for first out of the pool, and she is persistent. Where is she?
I think she's here in front.
There she is. Good job, Athena. Good job, Sadie, though.
And they're doing really well with the stand-up feeding.
Yeah.
Oh.
Their back legs are a lot stronger now, aren't they? Come on, Zeus, get in there.
Oh, can Hera reach? We got a lot. Watch the little one.
She's gone the wrong way round, isn't she? We'll get Sadie laid down for a feed later.
I think we better. And so Leda's on there well. Okay, Athena, since you're right off here, you want to be the first one to be weighed? She says, no, I want more milk, please. Since you can hurdle yourself out. All right, Miss Athena.
Girl Saints. What's she doing up there?
Oh my word. What do you think?
I can't remember what she was before.
Well, they were all 3 pounds something last week. And Miss Athena today, 4 pounds, 4 ounces.
Wow.
That is amazing.
How about that, 4-pound girl?
Yeah. Pretty impressive. All right, who do we have here? Oh,
I heard him come off then.
Slurp, Zeusy boy.
Hello, mate. I know you got out and back in.
Urban legend. Whoa, Zeusy boy, 4 pounds, 8 ounces.
Oh, good lad.
And let's see, who's this here? Oh no, that's Athena. You've already been weighed. Come on, Iris.
Hello, Iris. You're starting to become a bit of people's favourite. Looking at the comments.
Hello. Hello, Miss Leda. Okay. Iris.
Athena's going for another climbing session, I think.
Oh, Iris is 4 pounds on the button.
Oh, good girl. We don't want any remainers in the 3-pound camp now.
We'll see. Who else is ready? Miss Aphrodite, are you pee-pee in there? Looks like you might be doing some business. Mama thought so. It might be time for another puppy pedicure today, too. Their nails are getting long. 4 pounds, 7 ounces. So she is 1 ounce behind Athena then.
1 ounce behind Zeus.
1 ounce behind Zeus. You're correct.
Yeah.
Yep.
She is a chunky girl, isn't she? You're a chunky
No
girl.
fat shaming.
No, I didn't know. You said the F word, not me.
I did not. This is a family channel. All right, Miss Leda's next. Hey, Leda. Okay. Leda, you little fluff monkey. Oh my goodness. Leda, 3 pounds, 10 ounces. But that is a 9-ounce gain since her last weigh-in.
Oh, yeah, she was
So
the
she
smallest.
is doing amazingly well.
Good girl, Leda.
She's just a petite little munchkin.
Yeah.
And Hera. Be interesting to see if she's smaller than Leda. She was 1 ounce smaller than Leda on the last weigh. Oh, get this. Hera, 3 pounds, 12 ounces.
Wow.
So she's now 2 ounces bigger than Leda.
Yeah, those.
But that's a 12-ounce gain since the last weigh-in. So they're all just gaining like crazy.
Yeah, I think we'd have been lucky to get them all through 4 pound.
Yeah. Okay, so I have a special blanket change for today. American football.
I'm going to find a rugby blanket. That's not good enough.
Is it not?
Here we go, Sage. Good girl.
What do you think? Can you kind of lay down for the shorties? This might be a little bit long for puppy
There's
pool.
Iris getting a voice.
Hi, baby. Uh-oh, Zeus. You're tearing up the place. Tearing up the place. Here you go, Iris. Whoa!
Whoa, how did that happen?
She did an endo. An endo. Come on, baby.
There we go.
All right. This is better. Oh, look at him smelling this new fabric.
Oh, yeah.
That's different. What is that?
Yeah, they really are checking it out, aren't they?
Is that different? So this is particularly good because it gives them a little bit more traction on their feet than the soft blankets do. Yeah. Good jobs. Oh.
Good
Look
girl,
at
Sage.
Hera. So Hera and Leda were having a little bit more trouble reaching, and you can see they're right in there now. Iris is getting a little bath. And let's put you on the correct side here, baby. There you go. You can't have the yard lines all wrinkly here. That's just wrong.
So that is our long-awaited weigh-in on their 3-week birthday. And we are super pleased with how they're putting on weight. All very healthy. And we will stop this video now so that we can get straight onto the live stream, because we've had to have a shorter live stream this morning, and we can get going this afternoon again as Aphrodite is preparing herself for the correct camera angle.
She is.
There we go. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll take questions on the live stream shortly.